How to download Mobile Legends on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download or install Mobile Legends Bang Bang on your Android device. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, unlock your phone and open the Play Store on your phone. And once you have opened the Play Store, simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in the search section, simply tap on the type bar and simply type for Mobile Legends and hit enter. And once you find the official game by Moonton, simply tap on it and then click the install button. The game size is large, so make sure you have stable internet connection and enough storage on your device. And after the installation is complete, you can simply tap on play to launch the game. The Mobile Legends may need to download some additional resource, so be patient while it sets up. And that's how you can download Mobile Legends on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.